I don't get a lot.
That's
Yes, you do.
okay.
You got the sister presents.
Some of this stuff you can share with Elsa because you play with her.
Whoa, well, who is this from?
I don't know.
Well,
It
it's
was, I know what it's from. Eliana, Riley, and Emma.
All the kids. What's it called? Zingo.
Zingo.
It's bingo with a zing. It's like playing bingo. You ever play bingo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of a bingo game.
Let's leave all the trash over here in a pile.
Okay.
excellent.
What does that say?
You gotta see what's
Have
from.
a hopping great birthday. I'm waiting to open the other present.
But you can open the other present.
What is it?
Another jump rope?
Mm-hmm.
There's 2 jump ropes. No, actually, Eliana, I have 2.
That's
I never
easy.
get 2. I never get 2. I never get 2. Oh, yeah, brought 2 soccer balls.
Can I help you?
Yeah. Never mind. Is it my turn now? Is it my turn now, Mommy?
What does that say? Daddy?
Something good to share. There's nothing on the back.
Something good to share.
You should maybe come videotape.
What is it? It takes it pretty